I've mentioned before, as I'm working on a car, my inspiration for my tool of the day video comes from working on said car. And this is one of those cases. Billy Mays here. I feel like I'm doing an infomercial. Have you struggled getting your fat ratchet wrenches in places they don't fit? Astro Tools makes these ultra thin, I believe they call them razor ratchet wrenches. They're zero offset with no reverse clicker. However, they fit in some pretty amazing areas. You'll get them backed and jammed into a corner quicker than any other wrench. Let me show you these guys up close. They work pretty fantastic. I've been using them here for a while now and debating on whether or not I liked them. And let it be known, I like them. They come in a nice blue carry rack, holds them nice and sturdy. It's for that mechanic with the on-the-go lifestyle. Now, sizes 8 to 19. That's the best I got for you. They're super thin. They are a little hard on the hands. If you're using the 19, ultra thin, if you're early yanking on this thing, she digs into you pretty good. So I guess if you're concerned about that, let me show you. I brought over a couple of standard. I was using a 12 mil working on this Subi. Here's some standard. This is the Blackhawk, so Mac Tools. I think they're made by Gear Wrench. Here's the Astro one. Okay, these are both straight. You can see the Astro one's got it beat by length. The Gear Wrench, it beats it on girth, but if you like the skinny ones, this is for you. So can you see the head of those? Can you see the difference? I dare say it's about half the width of a standard ratcheting wrench. Now here's one actually made by Gear Wrench. This is a reversible 15-degree offset. Not a sponsor, but you can see here it's quite a bit thinner as well. All right, get you in those places. Like I say, it'll get you in there, get you jammed up. I haven't been able to break one yet, which is pretty amazing. I have double wrenched them, and by that I mean giving it the classic, you know, put the other wrench on the wrench, give it the big hook. Yeah, I guess we could use the 19 there, and then pull excessively hard. And usually that will send a ratcheting wrench to an early grave. But these have held up so far. The only thing I know that will likely break these, that breaks all of these, regardless of the brand, is heat. If you stick a ratcheting wrench on something you just got done heating up with old Bic, after that, they never work again. I've tried it on multiple brands. They do not like heat. I could be wrong. I guess we could always heat one of those up and see if it breaks. I think it's something to do with the spring and the paw in there, perhaps. Who knows? But that's it. Check them out, guys. The Astro Tools Razor ratchet wrenches.